It's been about a year since I got the PowerBlock and did a video on it when I first got it, and I figured now would be a good time to respond to some questions I got on it, as well as show how it's done after 1 year in a pretty humid garage. I did leave the plastic on for the up to 50 pounds of weight. You can obviously take the plastic off. That was one of the questions. I just found that it was easier to keep the paint on the metal from chipping off. I do like that there's 4 adjustable weight settings. You can also stack in on 60 through 90. I might grab some of that pretty soon. I do also like that there's those 2 adjustable weights that can be quickly snapped in and out through that little tab on the side. I don't really do the adjustable weights too much, obviously, for like the heavy lifts, but if you're doing certain shoulder raises and the like, it definitely helps. That little button on that one end just shows you where that you put it in so that you don't chip the metal off. I do also have the optional stand. I think the prices do change from time to time. I got it when it was on sale. One thing I like about this, as opposed to other adjustable weights, is the clip is pretty easy to slide in and out compared to some of the dials and other things where it's a little sketch because you have plastic teeth holding metal weights, and the teeth, when I've used them over time, they kind of grind down so they don't grip the weight as much, whereas this, you have a kind of a solid hold on the weights, which helps when you're holding it directly above your face. I do like the arm supports on the side too. Kind of helps not have to engage the wrist as much for the lifts. You can just do that separately if you want. So overall, it looks still brand new, and I like it quite a bit. If you like what you saw and want to support us, please go to sortbyreviewcount.com, which is an app we have that allows you to sort Amazon product search results by most reviewed. I have it available on all the major platforms, including the Apple App Store, the Google Chrome Store, Firefox, and Edge Store. Here's an example of how it runs on Google Chrome. You just type in whatever you're searching for, such as a desk chair, and make sure you're in a specific department. In this case, it'd be like office chairs. And then you click the blue Sort by Review Count button, and it'll sort to most reviewed instead of showing Amazon sponsored results. So if you go to the website, you'll also see the install guide and a walkthrough of how to use it. I hope you try it out.